Hello, let's draw Marvin the Martian. Grab yourself paper, Sharpie, make a line at the top of the page, close to the top of the page, like this. Curved line. Another curved line underneath that. It's going to be his hat. Another curved line like this. Kind of coming around like an undone circle. And then you repeat a line on the inside of that line like that. Make a curved line coming out like that with a straight line coming down. Same thing on the other side. That's the sides of his hat, helmet.
I see. I see you stink.
Make a curved line on each side like that. And connect them down like that. I messed up a little bit there, but when we color it in, it'll fix that. Hopefully. I'm still waiting on my whiteout to show up. Alright. So, make the ends of these connect the sides of his helmet here. Like that. Kind of like a battle helmet. Make a line like that. Gonna make this show that this thing is 3D here. Like this. Same thing on this side. Go like that. Give it some depth. One eye. The other eye. Two big ovals. And then two small little ovals for his pupils. There's Marvin. Fix the top of that hat just a wee bit. Work on this brush that he has up here. Go like that, and like that. Two lines like that. I'm going to connect them like this. Now you're going to work on this little broom, brush, whatever it is. Make a line, a little rectangle like that, a little trapezoid. And then here's the brush. A little jagged edge like that. Just like that. Make some lines coming down to show the details of the brush. Or whatever it is. Alright, work on his body. Little neck.
Okay.
And almost like a pyramid triangle shape coming off of the neck like that for his arms. Connect the bottoms of his arms like that. Make his little hands. Hey, Dibbles. Make his other wrist. And his big. They seem extra large because they're really close to you, his hands. But you just make some curved lines like that. And there they are. Show his wrist, palm, dimples, and then his little fingers. Same thing on the other side. Just have to account for the angle. Alright, now we work on his, got this interesting little object that he's wearing, sort of tutu, sort of hula hoop looking thing. So you work on his body, make two curved lines like that, coming down from his armpits. Connect it with a straight line like that. Now we work on this thing that he's wearing. Skirt. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, sorry. It's got a little design like this. A design like this. Interesting article of clothing. Very Martian. Hey, Raviol. Just filling in these little almost cheerleader type outfit, making it 3D like this. Like that. That's my kitty cat talking. Alright. Make his little legs coming down like that. Another set of straight lines like that. Alright. It's about time to color him in.